Hi, this move is one I've called the Perpetual Foldylator. Perpetual because it goes on and on and on in circles until you want to stop it. And Foldylator because it's folding a lot and it starts a bit like an escalator brake, like that. So I'll try and break it down for you and see if you can have some fun with it too. So, as I say, I started like that escalator brake. If you know it already, that will help, but let's just talk it through. So, hoop in front of me, holding it in my right hand, push it with a swing so it goes behind the arm to fold round the front. So push, and it's going to carry on all the way round. So round with the momentum and flop over my head. Now, when it goes round, you don't want it to fall to the floor, so you're letting this right arm be like a little sort of hook to stop it falling. So tap, fold, catch, trap it on that right arm. Then I'm going to use my left arm to sort of hook underneath there and lever it up and over my head and round, so it's come out to there. So I'll say that bit again. Tap, round, trapped on the right arm. So here we are, like that. And then while I'm here, I'll show you this left hand's just coming under the bottom of it, like that. The top of my hand's there. And it's going to hook it up, take it in front of my face, behind my head, sort of swooshing over my hair. And as it comes round, I've got it on the top of my hand now, which means as I come round, I can grab it. I'm actually where I started. So I could have just gone to there, but I'm going to fit in some extra folds because it's a foldylator. So fold, so I've gone from there, fold, so that it comes all the way around to my right hand, and then over. So going from this bit here, I'm hooking it up round over my head, sweep round. It's on the flat of my hand as I catch it. And this is the bit where you need to remember to keep going in the same direction. So we've come from there, we're going to keep it moving in that momentum in that direction. Fold. So I can grab it with the right hand and start this whole process over again. And if you find it's going wrong, it probably means you've changed direction somewhere. So make sure it keeps going round and round. And when you want to come out of it, you could come out of it anywhere. I like coming out of it here. So I'm there. I can use the right hand to push down on it. Fold, fold, fold. And wherever you want to go from there. I'll follow this with a bit of slow-mo and see if that helps. The fun thing about the Perpetual Foldylator is it gets a rhythm and keeps going and just feels great. So, two things to remember: keep it folding in the same direction And if it helps, say the rhythm in your head. Fold, 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 fold. And make it your own, have some fun with it. Do let me know if you've got any questions. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.